Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just want to come on here to say welcome to another DIY video. Thank you for clicking on my video, taking the time to watch them. I appreciate it so much. I am going to be doing a 3 DIY projects. The first part of the video I will be showing the process I went through to get to the end product, and the last segment of the video will be me showing you the end products, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. So don't forget to stick around until the end. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a like, and then I really love it when you engage in the comment section with me. And without any further ado, let's get into this video. So with my first project, I am going to be using this lid as a mold to make a small decorative tray using a plaster of Paris. This is the second time I am working with plaster of Paris, and again it kicked my butt. So what I'm finding is that it is much better making your paste or the consistency of the paste into like a cake batter like consistency. It works much better than making a thicker paste, because then you have much more control over your project, and then it is not gonna run away from you, because when the paste is too thick, it sets way too rapidly. So after I've mixed the water and powder mixture, I just poured it out into the lid or my mold, and this is how it came out of the mold. It because of the bubbles, it created cavities in the tray, so I am just filling that with plaster. I wanted the tray to have a marble look, so I am just mixing some black and white paint to get a grey color, because I didn't have any grey paint. This is also the first time that I've tried this faux marble effect, so this part of the DIY I really just had to trust myself and trust the process, and then have a patience, because you are going to have to work with it until you are happy or you have the desired effect. So just go along until you are happy with you know, your faux marble look. I worked with a chalk paint, and I found that it dried really quickly, so you will see me like every now and then just spritzing some water onto the paint. That just helps with keeping the paint wet, and then it makes the paint much easier to manipulate. I didn't like the way it looked at this point, so I thought of just going over it with you know, my paintbrush with some white paint, but somehow you could still see the veins you know, through the white paint. It was much closer to the effect that I wanted. The blending part is very important because it is gonna help with softening the lines and, you know, just giving you that subtle marble look. And then I also just went over this foam brush and then with white paint just to soften it a little bit more. I then added some handles and we were done, but no, don't skip to the good part yet. Remember, I saved all the finishing products for the end of the video. For our second project, I made this decorative box that I made out of little stones that I crushed to have the desired size. After I've crushed enough stones to cover the box, I went ahead and painted the box in white. After I've done the painting on the box, and don't worry, I did eventually paint the bottom of the box too. And then, yes, what I did was then applied the plaster. After the plaster was applied, I started laying the stones and pressed them down with the palm of my hands just to secure them better onto the box. I then used this polyurethane spray just to finish off the project. For the lid, I applied some more plaster, which I texturized a little bit more by adding like the really fine, basically dust of the stones that crush. I added that to the plaster and it gave me this beautiful textured finish on the lid. And then here I am just applying some tape because I decided to spray paint the rim in gold just to add some more detail. Our last and easiest project is this bottle that I repurposed. It had syrup in and I thought it was the cutest bottle, so I decided that I was going to give it a paint and then use it as a reed diffuser bottle. So like I said, I just gave it a paint in black, and then I used some gold spray paint to just speckle some gold onto it. And then after I've done that, I sealed it, and then I filled it with a diffuser refills, and that was it. And here are the reveals. I hope you enjoy.
You're so irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time